Hey everybody, Carl here from Abt, and this is going to be an unboxing on the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. So we've got one right here in front of us. It's brand new. We're gonna open it up, show you guys what comes in the box. So starting off, you can obviously see the camera, but on the bottom, there's a little tab that you can pull. So we're gonna do that and see what kind of stuff comes with this camera. Opens the same as all the other GoPros, so nothing revolutionary there. You can see though it says gimbal-like Hypersmooth stabilization, so we're excited to test that out. Make sure you stay tuned because we are going to do an overview video on this, show you some examples of how that works and how well that works too. And on the top we've got stickers, we got some literature, throw that off to the side here. And underneath that we've got a charging cable. Nice to see USB-C on this one, so thank you GoPro for doing that. Then we've got a curved mount, we've got a flat mount, and we've got a removable battery. This one being the only one of the new GoPro Hero 7 line that does have a removable battery, so that's a good feature of the black version. And then under that is space. So now we'll take the camera off of here. I always struggle with this part, so stay with me. There we go, look at that, nice and smooth, just like the stabilization, hopefully. Put that off to the side. So this is the new GoPro Hero 7 Black. It does say Black 7 here on the side, so you know what you're getting. It comes with the clip here, so you can put it on a number of available accessories. This one's also the only of the 3 new 7 models that is able to use the scuba case too, so that's also a cool accessory if you are a scuba diver. Initial impressions here. It looks very similar to previous generations of the GoPro model, so that's kind of nothing new. I don't know if anyone was really expecting anything ultra revolutionary as far as the design is concerned. I'm gonna try and, boy, this thing's, it's in there pretty good. That might be something to keep in mind when you're initially trying to take it out of the case. I'm gonna try and do this without breaking anything. So that does take a little effort. Keep that in mind if you're trying to do that at home. But otherwise, that's the camera. We'll pop the side up here. We've got the USB-C, we've got micro HDMI out on there. Underneath here, we've got a spot for the battery, little slot for the memory card to go in there. And just like, again, previous generations of GoPro cameras, we've got a little LCD display on the front here, along with our screen on the back. And it looks to be a sticker. We'll try and get that off of there. And nothing really to see there. We don't have the battery in here yet. All right, so we put the battery in. We're gonna run through the menus here for you so you can kind of get a taste of what this offers. As you can see along the bottom here is where your resolution, your frames per second, your field of vision are. If you tap that, it's gonna go into this menu where you can choose from different resolutions. So we can anywhere from 240 down to 24 on 4K, and that's nice to see. Field of view, we can choose wide, low light not available when we're in the 4K settings, stabilization not available when we're in the 4K at 30 frames, Pro Tune we can turn on and off from here as well. And let's go back, see if there's anything else. Tap the camera over here, the mode, we can change modes by tapping on this, so video or looping. We'll just go back into video. Short clips, you can shoot a quick 15 or 30 second video, that's kind of cool. And let's see here, so we can either choose 15 or 30 seconds, we'll X out of there. We've got the camera touching there, doesn't do anything. And then we've got preferences here, voice control, sound, lock and unlock. So there's plenty of things to look at. Let's just swipe up there, nothing swiping there. Oh, here we go, time lapse, whoops. You can choose video, or you can choose camera. And that's done by swiping across. Whoop. So you gotta, it looks like slide that. You can't just tap on it, and that's video. But that is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And you can see here we've got all the accessories. same things. Nothing really mind-blowing here, nothing out of the ordinary for GoPro. The real benefit of this one is going to be that image stabilization. So like I said, stay with us. We're going to do an overview video on this and kind of demonstrate the way that works. As always, we appreciate you guys checking out our video, and don't forget to subscribe.